Yes, hello, good morning. So my name is Teacher Rommel, as you see here. So I am a teacher here in Thailand. So without further ado, let's go to talk about my topic today, right? So we're going to talk about how to renew our Thai driving license without a residence certificate from immigration or from the embassy where you in. So how is it possible? Yes. So let's go the requirements. Okay. So as enumerated in the L2 list, you need your passport with visa. So you have to bring the original and photocopy of that, the first page and the visa page. Then after that, you have to get a medical certificate, which is you can get in any clinic, and it only costs around 100 to 200 baht, I guess, right? And then, of course, you have to bring your original old Thai driving license. So just bring the original. And then after that, the last one is your work permit. If you are working in Thailand, right? So here is the thing. If you are working in Thailand, then you just check your work permit, your blue book. On the last three page of your work permit, then you can see your home address. Right. When you see your home address in here, written in here, then that's the time you don't need to secure any residence certificate from immigration or the embassy. So it saves time, and that's nice, right? So it saves your time. So again, I just I just repeated. If your home address is written at the back of your work permit, which is at the last three pages, then that's the time you don't need to secure a residence certificate in immigration or at the embassy. So I hope it's clear. Now, let's go to the step by step of how to renew our driving license. So I have just a list in here, so I will not forget what I want to say. So actually, it took me less than an hour to get one, right? So the first thing you should do is you have to go to the nearest DLT in your place and then bring all the requirements that they are need, right? So after you present that requirements, actually is you go to the in front of the building of DLT. There is an officer there to check your documents. So if they see all correct, then they will then that's the time they will check if there is an available slot for that day, right? So if you are lucky, then you can move to the next step. But if there is none, you have to they will find to book you to the other day. In my case, um, there is none, so they book me on the next day, right? So as I said, I have to come back to DLT in the next morning. So when I come back to DLT, I just bring all the documents that they screened the other day, right? So if they recheck again. So if it's complete, then that's the time they will give you the queue number to get into the actual building, which is a building four. Um, yes, it's in building four. This one is in a Mochit office. It's in the main building. So this one, I will show you the picture one moment. You will get this one. Yes, this is the first queue that you can get. So you This step is you will get into the building on the second floor, right? So they instruct you to go to the second floor. So you just give this to the officer. I think in this process, they will just recheck or re-screen your documents if all correct. And then this one is also they will encode everything, right? So after this process, they will instruct you to go to the third floor. So that is the next one. You go to the third floor and you will get this. Yes, it's another queue, right? But don't worry, that is not that long, right? So this queue is for the physical test. So in this process, you will wait on the lobby, which is while you are waiting, you are watching something about traffic signs and also about the rules and regulations in driving, right? So just this one is just while you are waiting. And then after that, they will call your number. So before you get into the building, I mean the room, you will see this one. So this one is they will test your color blindness, right? So you just tell what color you see. If you see red, just say red, and green, green, right? So and so on. So just tell what color you see, and yes, they just check your color blindness, right? Next, after that, after this test, this is the second test, right? So this one is they will check your peripheral vision or the depth of your vision. So this one, you will see the button there. There is a red button and the green button, but you only push the green button. So once you push the green button, there are two sticks there, right? The left one is moving, and then once you see it's aligned already. So that's the time you will release your finger. So then you will pass, right? Then the third one is this one. Yes, I know you remember this. You know this one. This one is the gas pedal and the brake. So they will check how fast you can brake, right? So there are two pedals in there. I didn't show in here, but there are two pedals in there. So first you have to put your right foot on the gas pedal. Then as soon as you see the red light there, you have to, or you must, right? You must put on the brake. So then you will pass. But as you see there, there is a line there, right? There is a green line, green light and red light there. Once even one red light they see there, you will fail. So you have to redo. So in my case, I just do it once. So lucky. Next is the last step. This is the fourth and the final test. This one is also checking your peripheral vision, right? But in this one, you have to put your face close to the equipment, especially your nose close to that. And then the officer will instruct you that do not move your eyeball. So you just look straight to the officer and then just state what you see from your vision from the peripheral here, right? So just if you see red, just say red, yellow, something, but don't move your eyeball. Just straight to the officer. So once you pass this one, then congratulations. They will ask you to go back to the second floor. Yes, they will instruct you to go back to the second floor and you get another queue. Yes. This another queue, don't worry, this is not that long. I think it's less than 10 minutes. Right. This one is the final queue, they just took you a picture, right? And then after took you a picture, you have to pay the fees, right? You have to pay the fees, and then after that, only a couple of minutes, they will print your new driving license. So in here, one moment, where is that? This one. Oh, wait, one moment. I just queue in here. There you go. Congratulations. You have your new Thai driving license with 5 years validity. Right. So I hope this video helps you and good luck to you. And bye for now and see you next time. Bye.